uthenga for 10 million ngiyikhokhela imali yakhona phelele 10 million imali yami sengixakwa ileli dladla kusedladleni lapho leli dladla because she's involved ayikho into yake yalunga emhlabeni ukhona umdolomba pha angazi nebhadi noma wachathwa ngesichitho lo ngisaba ngisho ungena ebusinessini naye yonke into ayinayo fana ungabona abantu bamthuka kanjani ama Facebook lo hey angithi iyo lento engikhuluma yokuchaga amadoda usethi uMakaizer Chiefs yonke lonke usechaga amadoda kade kufika abafuthi hey akathi kumanga nje okanti niyabona ay mina bengafunda ikhuluma ungcoma sekhuluma nini she's out there without permission my permission
but
la mntwana ngoza mawumfati wendoda uyacela awungicela ukuyekuthini at least let your husband know ukuthi ngiyekuthini asesekubona nje ukhanga nje angazi lesifebe besiyaphi bamthanda the Zulus are not happy with her
kufanele kube nelibandla labo make leleya labo bondlonkulu libafundzise sibondlonkulu ba behavior njalo
lapha ekhaya kodwa yazi ukuthi namabandla kanjalo ungathi bathola le inkonzweni koShembe maye mina noShembe mina uShembe kimi uyamona uShembe unyazi isilima manje hey ngiyakwashembe uyabona nje kunendoda emshelayo ukuthi uMasango lo uyazi uphi hey ngicela ubuye esontweni ngathi ufuna ukumkhwela lesontweni lalela ngomdedela inja ayihambi inja iyokhwela esontweni wakuthini ngiyophuma ngiyoflathela uyodungama lo akangazi
akuvuka
noma ngabe unomuntu onjani wangapha ngizoyishaya engane ayingazi ngiyinkosi how did I become a king ngoba ngumthakathi
ayezidishile
ucabanga ukuthi wonke lamadoda angaka eSouth Africa onke afuna uba yizilo
ayezidishile
ungalwa nami wena hey wekholo lenjayeni usathi ngicela endlini yami nginentombi yami lapha uncane endlini lena anqenge ngcuza yakhe mina ngangedela umdolomo ngimpa imali wazi uthini ngiyagcina uzombona uhluphe kanjani umfazi ngimfuna aphumile futhi la endlini yami la hamba emaqhubeni ade ngibuza stupid question la kuduka ngikwazi lale uyazi wenzeni lengane ne kumanje kunento yakhayo lapho uyazi induna ziyangibuka ufika induna lapho but yini yenzo womntwana sizula akhela yena emzini kaba yini ekhaya wena hey wothatha lezi inkingi zakho ubuye nazo emachobeni ngakubeka emachobeni nomsunu kanye omsunu wensha futhi ngijwayela kabi wena awusiwe la wakhangela wena akekho umuntu onomfazi la ngijwayela kabi wena mdolomba uzuhlala ngathi uinnocent kanti uyanuka fuck you usake ngifuna uhambile wazi uthini
yena impilo engiyiphelayo ubusuku nemini le
yema
ubusuku nemini kuphilwa
into engizoyenza
ngithemba ukuthi bengicuphile ubuza into yasuka.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. So a video allegedly showing King Zulu, Missy Zulu, KwaZulu-Natal verbally attacking one of his wife has gone viral across all social media rather. Now the footage has sparked thousands of reactions with many South Africans debating whether the King's private life should have been made public. Now today we're going to look at what happened, what the royal household has said and how South Africans are responding. But before we begin, remember that the videos are alleged to be authentic. With AI these days, you never know. And the royal household has confirmed that they were private recordings while stating they are historical footage. Now, according to reports, the leaked videos show the king appearing emotional and angry while arguing with Queen Nomzamo Myeni. During the recordings, he allegedly accuses her rather of being faithful, questions her movements, and uses offensive language. He calls her Isfebe, and then a lot of words that I cannot even imagine. In one clip, Queen Nomzamo can reportedly be heard saying that this is the life she has to live every day. The videos quickly spread across Facebook, TikTok, X, and WhatsApp, with many South Africans expressing shock because the Zulu king is one of the country's most respected traditional leaders. Some people criticize the king's behavior, saying the leader should always set an example. Others argue that everyone has private family disagreements and that the video should have never been leaked. Following the backlash, the royal household released a statement, and according to the statement, these are old recordings that were taken during a private family dispute. The statement says they do not reflect the current relationship between the king and Queen Nomzamo. The king also expressed regret for the language he used and apologized to family members of the royal family, traditional healers, religious leaders, and the public who were disappointed by the videos. The royal household further appealed to the public to stop sharing the recordings and to respect the family's privacy. Even after the apologies, social media remains divided. Guys, what do you think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video and do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.